And we are live. Do not, and I mean do not, forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of these amazing live streams, free Discord, linked in the bio, blah, 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 blah. Gotta have some plug-in material at the start, because that's what you gotta do on social media. But we're back. Let's get it. Let's get it. I'm excited. It's Turbo Tuesday. Turbo Tuesday, fast day of the week, best day of the week. Let's get it. Let's absolutely get it. I'm excited. We're so close to TP on this New Zealand dollar US dollar. If it was Aussie US, we probably would have gotten it, which I'm almost certain I got in and out of. 100% I did. Yeah. Yep. Look at that sell. Look at that amazing sell. Straight in and out. We got a few good ones in the last couple of days. Like just absolutely magnificent trades. Just turn that up a little bit for YouTube. Dad. Mateo, thank you for liking. Welcome, welcome. Turbo Tuesday, guys. Turbo fucking Tuesday. I'm good. Everything's absolutely fantastic. I could not be happier today. What up, B? How are we? Could not be happier today. How are we all? How are we? How are we? Just getting things rolling. What was I doing? Yes, this is what I was looking at. Two, boom, boom. We would have been out probably around here. Around there. And then we drove up like crazy. Got the sell in. Boom. TP was probably around here. Out. 2 days, 3 trades, 3 profits. Easy. And not even that. I've gotten in and out of fucking insane shit. It is massive. It didn't go down. Respond. Do that. Get this going. Okay, let's have a look. Yeah, you're 1.6. I look at the pound yen straight after. And I mean, this is just the thing with yen pairs. This is why I've kind of canned them all at the moment, eh? Because I could not be fucked sitting in them for so long. Like, it's just what happens with these pairs. Like, this is not particularly abnormal. Is seeing some massive upwards channel where you can get stuck in, especially with your strategy at the moment. It would be, I mean, that's intervention. And a lot of these are intervention moves. That wasn't an intervention, I don't think, but previously lots of interventions. It's not worth it for me to have the stress of that shit, to be honest. But that's okay. Yeah, that's why I did straight back up and then it opened to trades. Yeah, that's why I said it might just be best to fucking pause it until you can get flat, so it doesn't keep adding trades and adding drawdown. Because you don't really have the buffer to be getting into more drawdown at the moment. That's just my personal opinion. But yeah. Lucas, what's going on? How are we? I'm excited. I'm excited for today. You know what time it is. Oh, I'm cheating on my fucking go-to, but that's gonna be fucked again. Going to Audi. I'll go tomorrow and I'll stock up and everything will be fine. Okay, good. Get me off this. What do I want to look at? New Zealand or US dollar? Should keep a little bit of an eye on that. We came so close to our TP, but didn't quite hit the marker, which is okay. We're still in profit, so there's no drawdown additives on this, and we could find our way back up here, but yeah, just tapped off of last week's low for the moment. I'll go through all the pairs shortly when we get a few more people in, have a little chat. Standard shit, you know? How does this work? You get a broker, open an account, and you develop a strategy, find a strategy, copy someone else's strategy, and you speculate on the markets. You buy and sell in speculation. The market's going to go up or down. What's the best way for me to learn about stocks and investing? Well, I don't do stocks or long-term investing, so I'm not your guy for that. I'm more shorter term, days to weeks. Why do you drink them at the complete opposite time of the day you're supposed to? Bro, I drink these things all fucking day. I drink them all fucking day. Oh, actually, not really. In the morning, not anymore. In the morning, I'll have one, and then, not really the morning. It was like fucking midday when I got up today. And then a little one when I get home from the gym. And then Fredo and Agor. Thank you guys very much for following me. And then when I get home, I'll have another little one just so I can start getting stuck into things, go through everything and whatever. And then when I jump on live, I'll have another one for the live streams. And then I used to have another small one after the live streams. And then I'd have another one after that. Cause that's when I was like fucking just crazy fucking caffeine addict. But I've cut off those two ones after, because I've found that now that my brain's kind of gotten used to it, and my body, I can still work as hard after. And I probably could if I cut them all out, but I like them. What up, Apple user? How are we? What strategy? I use a version of dollar cost averaging, mean reversion, martingale, which I have not really an announcement, but I'll talk about it later, and I'll put it in the Discord. What's my profit for the week or for the month so far? It's at I can't remember. Today was 0.91%. Yesterday was 1.11. I think I just checked it. It was 4.8%, I think, for the month, which is crazy already. Do you never have to work again? I really want to hope not. Where do you live, bro? Brisbane? Blood does not like sleep. To be fair, like, let's be honest, my sleep used to be so shit, bro. Like, it was so bad. And I would sleep fucking never. I'd sleep like 3-4 hours sometimes. And, 5 hours was like a good sleep. But now I've been trying to focus on sleep. So even if I go to sleep at fucking 6 a.m., I will sleep for 7 hours. I'll just fucking, I don't care if I wake up, I'll go back to sleep. I'm just trying to focus on sleep a little bit more. Yeah. So what's the equation to successful trading? Equation? I don't know. Equation. Thoughts on Vinar chain? I have no idea. Thank you, little emoji, for following me. Can you make me rich? I couldn't, that's mostly on you. I can give you all the blueprints, but it's on you. GJ Longs have potential soonish. I've just been sitting here like a good boy waiting patiently. Oh, don't say that to Speedy. Longs? You reckon? Maybe. Why is this so fucking loud? High tide flag. I traded Forex before. My friend made 800K in 10 minutes trading XRP versus US dollar. But me, I'm still learning. Is that true? I get 15 minutes of sleep a day. Up 10K in a week. Nice, bro. Hey. How? What the fuck? Wait, what? How? How? What? What mindset change? What mindset change that shifted your trading? Honestly, it was being patient. Patience is key. And there was actually a video I saw today that I might do like a reaction to or some shit because I need to post more content on the fucking internet. But yeah, being patient and taking small wins instead of going for home runs. I mean, I've always kind of said that. And yeah, small time frame, like 5 minutes. Oh yeah, if we can get like but as well, this could be a M pattern reversal, but we could get, we do have resistance that could potentially easily turn into support. So yeah, I can see that. What the fuck? What? I got screenshots. Fair enough. Speedy, what the fuck? I must have leaked some. What is a good starting amount for Forex? Super subjective question, man. Honestly, that's a very hard question to answer. Couple of grand, I usually say, is a good starting point, but you can do it with less. Can do it with a lot more. 2.4k minutes of views. We might hit that, and 800 comments. Fuck, we're not hitting that. Fuck! God damn it. I want my... Oh, shit. I want my fucking tier 3 flare. And I want this subscription present. We got 5 days to do it. What else do we have to do? TikTok. 2 short video. Okay, we'll do that. 35 average concurrent viewers in a live. Probably won't get that. 3,800 comments, won't get that. Go live on 6 days. Fuck, they gave us a lot of difficult shit. Hi bro, you from Australia? Yep. Being a good boy, sitting on my hands equal profitability. I'm profitable, but by yeah. How do you watch the market correctly? Birdchop with their daily Heart Me and Go Popular. Thank you very much, Birdchop. I appreciate that. Thank you. But how do you watch the market correctly? Everyone sees the market through their own lens, so that's a really hard question to answer as well. It depends how you personally want to trade. So many different ways you can watch the market. What's the biggest day you had and how much you made? Day, I don't know, day. A specific day. I don't do big profits during days usually. 800 coins, I'll do on my own. Nah, fuck that. We won't get it. Should I hold $600 worth of D's or so? I don't know. I don't really care about that. What's that, Troy? What do you get for completing them? They give you flares. So flares are these things. And what they do is they attract more viewers to your live. So they boost your exposure on live streams. Straight up, yes, bro. You didn't like anything pretty close. No comment. No comment. You know, you could make a robot to trade for you on Forex. Just gotta configure it right. That's what I did. I developed my own bot. That's pretty funny. Yeah, I don't manually trade. Slay shirt, I like it. Thank you. Got the little Lacoste. I need to shave and I need a fucking haircut. Boats and logs, logs and boats, boats and logs. Stop it! Stop! Yeah, give up. Yep. Oh dang, how do you view the challenges? I stream and never knew about it. Bro, it's just here. Just this creator camp thing. I don't know. I don't know if it's like on your phone or anything. I've never done that. Thoughts on liquidity and balance only? If you can structure a strategy around it and you have an edge, then sure. That's not what I use though. Nice, life must be good. Oh, bro. Life is fucking amazing. It's fucking Turbo Tuesday. I'm back to 100%. I was still a bit, as Apple user said, fried brain. I was a bit fried brain yesterday still from the weekend, but we're 100% today. App called MetaTrader 4. What pair is this? This is pound yen, 5 minute. Look at whatever though. What's your strat? To a version of dollar cost averaging, mean reversion, and martingale. I'm excited. Let's get this fucking stream popping off. If you're not liking the stream, what are you doing? Lucas, thank you very much, brother. 3,000. Worldly 900. Mateo 459. Speedy 300. Domingo 193. Coltsy 96. Butchie Boys coming up at 100. OCE Arav 38. And the Fair King 31. Where's the Fair King? I haven't even seen him. What the fuck? He's been quiet recently. Been very quiet. What's your tips for someone who only has 50 USD to deposit? You would most likely need more. Almost every time you'll need more than that. So what I recommend is focus on your education first and then build that account up. Go get fucking 7 jobs if you need to. Let's fucking go. Let's go. Thank you very much for the likes. What's a good YouTube channel to teach how to trade in your experience? Fuck, almost none. There are some figures, some iconic figures that I would listen to, which is Tom Hugard, Mark Douglas, and Anton Creel. Have a look at them. But mate, it's pretty fucking hard. Join my Discord if you want. Join my Discord. I got a free Discord. I got a YouTube video on the complete basics. And I also have a mentorship where I teach people. Plug. Have you ever tried using CTrader? I've moved to it, but I haven't figured out how to set my stops before entering. I think I used it on a prop account ages ago. I think. Like 2 years ago, I think. I actually can't remember. So I wouldn't be able to help you with that. I apologize. You're the Aussiest of the Aussie Lamau North. Wait, bro, what? I don't think I sound like that Aussie. At all. Fucking notifications. Get the fuck out. How much is a good deposit? Again, that's subjective, right? My recommendation is a couple of grand. If you can get to 500, you can start with there. Can I day trade at $5? No. You can buy options. I don't do options. CFDs only. It's $4,000 too much to pay for a day trading course. Fuck yeah. Are you serious? Who's selling a fucking $4,000 course? Top Falcon? A job. Can I day trade with $5? No. 7 jobs? Nah. I become allergic to 1, never mind 7. Yeah, I know. But you know what I mean? Like, you gotta work hard to build your account up. You're still in? Oh shit, I didn't even open that. Yeah, I mean, we had a bit of a spike up. I would have gotten that, actually. Am I in that? Or did I get out of that already? I might have gotten out of that already. Nope, I'm in that. So I'm in 2 shorts. Yeah, 2 shorts on this. Obviously, extension up, short. Didn't get any fucking exit opportunities on that. We pushed up, another short. We pushed up a little bit more. Not enough for us to get in another short, and we're kind of just accumulating. So price discovery accumulation. I think I said this yesterday, maybe. Might have been on US dollar yen. But I would not mind a little bit more of a push. This is my break even, the yellow line. I would not mind a little bit more of a push up so we can get in a 3rd entry and then potentially come down and bounce off of last week's high, which that'll bring my TP up to around there. So I wouldn't mind a little bit more of an extension to get in another position here to come down because, you know, this will probably act as resistance turned into support, to be honest. So even if we do come down here, we're probably going to bounce off again. And then I don't really want to take profit at last week's high. I'd rather get a little bit more of a push for a little bit more profit. So the only way I can see it is if we push up a little bit higher, maybe fill that gap. Fill that gap and then have our breakdown. But yeah, not too sure. Not too sure. $5, 100x leverage in Euro USD, 4K. Yeah, I'm curious to see what that was about, because fuck me. Shit. How long it take you to become profitable? A year and a half, and then I went live after 2 years. Hell yeah, bro. Getting scammed. The 4,000. I sold Bitcoin at 108,500, 0.3 lot. Nice. Should I keep it? Probably, yeah. Thoughts on buying a funded account for $32 US? I don't know. Sounds sus to me. The problem is that the stop set a pip difference. Fuck. Problem is that the stop set a pip difference from entering rather than just setting a value. What are you even talking about? How long it take you to be? Oh yeah, I just answered that. I don't have these damn challenges on my studio. I got no idea. I got no idea either. You trade US markets? No. Oh, well, I trade US currency, but not indices or stocks or anything. Yeah, I don't know about the buying a funded account for $32 US. What's the prop firm? I don't recommend anyone starting out because you probably lose it. If you're a beginner, you'll most likely blow that account. So it's just wasted money. Yeah, what do you think about gold today? I have no idea. I don't trade gold. Lushly, I apologize. I can have a look at it, but yeah, I don't know. Evening, what up, cheers and chong? So I'm trying not to fall poor on Google right now. don't do it then. There you go, you just answered yourself. So how does your Forex program on your page work? How does the process go? If you're trying to join the Discord, what you have to do is you have to open it up in an external browser. When you click the link tree, open it in an external browser, and then you should be able to get in. It just does that. It's TikTok. Like the mentorship, is that what you're talking about? Use it. Thank you very much for following me. Where can I go to learn to trade? My Discord. Discord's linked to my bio. Go watch the free video that's in there. I'll show you. Let's do it. So, Discord. Down here, free course, video. Boom. Go watch that. Chill Whale with 1 million fucking gifts. Hold up, I'll get to that in a second. I just got to catch up. Thank you very much, Chill Whale. Welcome. Hi, I just want to get into trading. I literally have no idea. I've watched no idea where to start. The Discord. It's going to be overwhelming, and that's okay. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to help out. You can message me on Discord. I'm not going to charge you money to fucking message me, and I reply to everyone. What's your most contrarian position right now, and how do you manage the risk of being wrong when the market is against you? So I haven't heard that word in about fucking 1 million years, so I'm gonna have to Google it. Just give me a second. Yes, contrarian belief. Yes, I'm an idiot. Fuck me. Yeah, let me get to that in a second. I'll answer that. Just give me 1 second. Evening, yeah, mentorship and bot access. Yeah, okay, so we should have a few of the mentorship people in here at the moment. Anyway, fucking, so the mentorship, obviously you join. There's 5 hours worth of video content. You get in the membership fucking Discord. You can have one-on-ones with me. I don't charge extra money for fucking one-on-ones like most people. So you can get a one-on-ones, face-to-face, fucking screen sharing, all of that shit, just to help you get everything set up. You got a month of me if you sign up for 1 month, and you get the bot access for free, and you can have it for life. You get my indicators and shit for free that I've developed. And yeah, it's not just some fucking PDF. Like you get a lot of shit. What you think about Dogecoin? I've got no interest in it. Redondo, Luca, Lushley, Sophie, Trading Insider. Thank you guys very much for following me. This was a really good Gone Girl Crypto. I want to answer that question soon. I should catch up. Fucking hell. What you think about? Oh, right. Yep. Nah, bro. Okay. Thank you so much. Let me get to that. Holy shit, Chill Whale with a Heart Me, Community Fest, 2 Go Populars, a Rose, GG, you're awesome, love you so much, TikTok, Ice Cream Cone, Heart Buff, Rose. How do you send so much so quickly? The fuck? Thor, with a Community Fest and some Jelly Snakes and a GG. Thank you very much, I appreciate that a lot. Thank you. Are you trading Dej? No. Hey Tom, what's your Discord? It's in my bio, there's a link tree, and then you'll be able to jump into it from there. That's the free one. Holy shit. Fuck me. Community Fest ×3. GG, Rose, you're awesome. I swear I saw TikTok and a TikTok. Thank you very much. Thank you guys very much for the gifts. I really appreciate that. Yes, I'm still training. So, well, thanks. Oh, good. Okay, let me answer this question. I'll go through all my positions now, which I've started to enjoy doing, so people can go back and look at them as well on YouTube. If you're not subscribed to my YouTube, go subscribe to my YouTube, because I want to eventually branch off onto YouTube instead of TikTok, because TikTok is restricting a lot of stuff for me. So yeah. All right, so let's just get rid of the chat for a second. So Aussie dollar CAD, obviously, now we'll talk about what happened with the Australian dollar, which is they didn't drop their interest rates. Completely unexpected. they want more confirmation on inflation figures coming down. They weren't satisfied, so they kept interest rates at 3.85% instead of dropping them down to 6%. So that was obviously extremely unexpected. Now, we had this big move down in anticipation for the interest rate decision. So we kind of flopped around, fucked around here, and then this is this big move here, which is them coming out with the figure being that they didn't drop the interest rates. So that obviously spiked the Aussie dollar, which was good because I got in a lot of positions long on the Aussie dollar as it was coming down, and basically we just came straight back up, took out all those positions. I got in some shorts. I should have got out there, but spread obviously caught me out on that one and didn't allow me to get out. So I wasn't paying attention to that. I probably should have been. I can't look at the charts every fucking second, so I didn't quite get out of that, but that's okay. We're flip-flopping around. So that's Aussie dollar CAD. Aussie dollar US dollar is almost the exact same. Shorts on that. We actually got out of that, so we got in, boom, straight back down, out, tick, profit for Aussie dollar US dollar. Aussie dollar New Zealand dollar. Obviously, this one doesn't always have as big of a reaction. Well, it did, but because they correlate with each other a lot of the time, they don't move as much. But anyway, we've been in for a while. We've been in for almost a week, 6 days on this one. So we got in shorts here off this extension. We continued up. We got shorts on here. We didn't get out here because of spread, so we should have got out of there, but we didn't. We climbed back up. We're in shorts now. We'll probably bounce off last week's high and continue, so I probably won't get out of that without getting another position before we can have a look at getting out of that one again. We do have New Zealand dollar interest rates coming out as well, which are expected to stay the same. So whether or not we get any move off that, we'll just have to wait and see. Aussie dollar yen, don't trade that. Don't trade any of these. Euro odd. Again, got in on this big extension of the interest rate potential drop, and we came back down. We almost A-shaped recovery off that, came back up, and then just sniped back down after the interest rate decision came out. Euro CAD, nah. Euro pound, I'm out of that. Yeah, I got out of that. Yeah, so we were in longs, bit of a drop, in long, flip-flopped around, and we got out just before in profit. Dollar figures in the bank. It's been a big week, and I'm loving it. Euro yen, not trading. Euro New Zealand, pretty much the same thing as Euro odd. Euro USD, I'm out of. Yes, I was in Euro USD for a while. For a hot minute, I was in Euro USD. We can't see the actual trades, but we got out of that last night. Broke through last week's low. My TP, I believe, was just above yesterday's low. So basically that point right there. Got out, done fucking easy. Got out of that, thank God. I was in that for fucking weeks. Pound odd, didn't quite get our TP, very close to TP, very, very, very close to TP. I'll zoom that in so you guys can have a look at it. Just fucking, like, come on. So, a couple of pips away from TP, didn't quite get it, that's okay. And now we're coming back down. So we might be looking at more, another extension back down to here. Maybe a few more entries before we can pop off, maybe last week's low, and then come back up and take out that for some profit. Pound CAD, nah, pound Swiss, no trades. Pound New Zealand, obviously popping up because pound New Zealand and Aussie dollar correlate. We got a bit of a move on the New Zealand dollar as well in anticipation. Drove up, flopping around. I'm in okay profit right now, but I don't want to take it. I'd rather come down and take that out. So I think I'm just going to leave that one. I'm not really worried. I'm in like 0.8% drawdown was last time I checked it. Literally fuck all. So New Zealand dollar CAD, same thing. New Zealand dollar. Oh shit, we got a fucking treasure chest. Thank you, whoever did that. I'll come back to that in a second. We had a big drop. I'm very surprised I didn't get an entry on this, but whatever. We climbed back up and now we're just stagnating around last week's low. Whether we get our pop up to, you know, yesterday's high, we will just have to wait and see. I gotta check. I don't think there's any other news today. No, there isn't. Maybe at midnight. I have to check if there's midnight. And I have obviously this New Zealand dollar US dollar that I was looking at. US dollar CAD was very nice. Big extension up. Fucking picture perfect entry down, out around here. Profit! Money, money, money. Always funny in a rich man's world. Oh, all the things I could do if I had a little money in a rich man's world. And then US dollar yen, which we've already done, laddie. Let's fucking go. So yeah, we're up. We're probably at close to 5% now. Which I'll take. It's fucking hot in here. I was honestly debating whether to do a shirtless stream because it was so fucking hot. But I don't want to get in trouble. Look at all these fucking gifts. Holy shit. Community Fest, GG, Rose, you're awesome. TikTok, and here comes Sienna with 8 roses and then another 13. We got this thing, what is it called? The community chest. James, thank you. Oh, wait, is that Chill Whale? Yeah, okay, it is, yeah. I was like, who the fuck is James? TikTok, Ice Cream Cone, Heart Puff, Tofu, Sienna, 48 fucking roses. Jesus. And the TikToks, guys, holy fuck. All right, let me catch up. Thoughts on Vegemite and candle wicks? Okay. Just getting the gifts rolling. Thank you. If you're not yapping, get tapping. Yes, let's fucking go. What's for the grey boxes? They're wide range bars or fair value gaps for new age people. The chart is the hardest thing to read. I just started. You get used to it pretty quickly. And once you see things happen over and over again and how the charts react to different news events, you'll get used to it pretty quickly. Guys, holy shit. 48 roses, 20 TikToks, a hat and a mustache, 2 donuts. I love it. Thank you guys very much. Thank you. Sleox Aviation, thank you very much for following me. Where's your stop loss? I do not use stop losses. I have not used stop losses for years. You're broke, trade crypto. Fuck that. Join the Discord. Sweet, sweet. Joel, band for band. How do you pick which stock to buy or sell for day trading? I don't trade stocks. I only trade currencies, and they're I just trade the same 18 different pairs, sorry. Would you trade using trend lines? Absolutely fucking not. Bro, the treasure box. Claim the treasure box, guys. Go fucking claim it. Thank you very much, Chill Whale, for that. I appreciate that. The baby followed. Thank you. Made it work. Has a lot of Bitcoin. He says I should start investing 100 a week. Worth it? Not right now. I do not. Just in my personal opinion, whilst we're, still up at all-time highs, I don't think that's the best decision personally. Just my personal opinion. Oh, shit. I gotta catch up. Sienna's in the house. Yes, she is. Welcome, Sienna. Do you think Aussie dollar yen will continue rising this week? Possibly. Especially with fucking Chill Whale reach member level 10. Congratulations. Possibly. Whether we do that flip-flop around, I don't know. I don't have a crystal ball. What should be the goal and intention of the day for the day trader? Capital preservation. It's our job. And to make money. Long nicey, thank you. O'Trill Main, Chris Canan. Thank you guys very much for this. This is Aussie dollar yen. I don't know what the fuck we were just looking at though. Find a coin you can buy a whole of or 1/1,000,000th of a stock and wait. W platform. Thank you. Trouble Man Tom. What up? How are we? Welcome back. Josello Cruz. Thank you very much for following me. What you reckon of the news about interest rates holding? Yeah, I went through that just before. I thought it was fucking annoying for others, but for me it was good as fuck. I made a fair bit off of that, so I don't really care. Penny for penny. What did you do before day trading? Heaps of shit. I did heaps of different jobs. It didn't really matter. I just wanted to pay the bills. Sales. I was fucking running a warehouse, a couple of warehouses. I fucking, more sales, other sales jobs. I did just basically anything to fucking pay the bills so I could get out. And I also had a few other, you know, side hustles that I made a bit of money off, but they weren't sustainable. Couldn't do it for long term. Stoic Gains, thank you very much for following me. Does the news of the interest rates holding affect you negatively or positively? Very positively. So, and I'll explain why. Now, oh fuck, I was meant to answer that question before actually. I mean, I kind of did sort of. It affected me positively because I got in a lot of positions on the potential that the rates were going to drop, right? So we had, I mean, this is a pretty shit example, Aussie dollar yen, but I'm not trading yen pairs, so so yesterday we had a pretty big drop in anticipation for interest rates changing, which meant that I was getting in positions. When we get large extensions, that's what a lot of my strategy is based off. So we got large extensions, got in multiple positions, and then they held the rates. So it reversed all the way up, took out most of my TPs. But fucking good for me. And if not, and they did drop them and it continued to go down, I would have just scaled in multiple times, you know? Waiting for, you know, break even, bit of a pullback, take profit, done, out. Deal with the next trade. You got my favorite energy drink? Yes. Do love a white monster. Never goes flat. Funded account or solo? Personal. I am funded, but yeah, I don't really talk about it. What's the number one rule in Forex to you? Oh, that's a great question. That's a great question. Number one rule in Forex. I mean, it would probably just be always focus, like always follow the process and your rules, you know? If you have a proven strategy, why would you go against it? I guess, yeah. I figured out how to set a stop loss before entering on C-Trader, destroy your cursor until I listen. Until it listens? Wait, what? Oh, right, yeah, I gotcha. Okay. Mad though, good. How'd you even get into stocks day trading? I cannot remember. I honestly cannot remember. Is Detroit actually going to explode? Bro, I don't even know anything about it. I have no idea. It'll probably be my first and last account on the Plebby platform. Yeah, fuck that. Which platform or website do you get the information on, if that makes sense? So we've got Forex Factory and financialjuice.com. I'll spend more time on financialjuice.com than Forex Factory. That's actually what I was going to look at was... I knew there was something at fucking midnight. IVPMI. That's probably not going to do shit. I'm not really worried about that. And then we got the rates for New Zealand dollar tomorrow, which are expected to hold, but fuck me, what we saw today, they probably will. I don't see them changing rates. And then the statement, FOMC on fucking 4 a.m. Oh God, I forget that it's always so early. I'm so conservative right now. I don't know if I'll even be fucked to pay attention to that, to be honest. But yeah, Forex Factory and Financial Juice. Yo, what's up, bro? What up? Faster the comments, less verification to broke people. Faster on the comments, less verification to broke people. I'm so confused. Always 420 Goofy. Thank you very much for following me. Number one rule is number one rule is if the strategy is not there, don't enter on hopes and dreams. Yes. Bro, have you looked at my FX book? Similar to Forex Factory? Yeah, ages ago, but I don't really... I think it wanted me to fucking make an account or some shit. I remember a while ago doing it, and then I was just like, oh, fuck that. There was something on my FX book that I used to use all the time. It was... Hold up. No. Oh, fucking go away. It was the... Yeah, see, it's fucking make me sign up. I must have, because... Hold up, sign in. Yeah, I don't know. There was... I'm pretty sure it was my FX book, and it was the... Correlation, that's what it was. Yes. It was this. I used to use this. But I haven't used it in ages. And this was actually... It literally, I'm pretty sure it just asked me to create an account. Like, maybe it didn't. Just before it did. Like 2 seconds ago when it was over here, it did. This was also what I went through when I originally sent you the pairs. This is what I used. I tried to find the least correlating pairs with each other. And then I sent them through to you. What up, Lana? How are you? What's going on? How's life? How do people capitalize on the interest rates holding with regards to the news of the New Zealand rates? Do you trade, hold up, do you trade specific stocks or anything? Just currencies. How do people capitalize on the interest rates holding with regards to the news of the New Zealand rates? Well, they'll probably wait for the statement, and they'll wait for speculating on the actual statement if they hold. I can't see people going fucking nuts if the rates are holding, but they'll probably wait for the rate statement for speculation before a move. Pudgy Penguin Cryptos and okay. Never asked me. Lel J, thank you very much for following me. Tom, exclamation mark. Sorry, my English is like typing with my toes. My bad for making you decrypt my comments. That's okay. Where are you from again? Byron Gallant 24, thank you very much for following me. How do I start day trading? Go to my Discord. Discord is linked in my bio. Go watch the 1 hour beginner's video. Is day trading your main income or only? Main. It's what, brother. Top 5 in likes and now my finger's broken, brother. Tell him don't need swat, lad. Let's have a look-see. There we go. 3 alchemies back. With 3.8. Lucas 3.5. Thank you. Chill Whale 3.2. Domino 2.2. It's got to be Tanzan, right? It's got to be Tanzan. 1.5. Worldly 1.2. Corey 500. Harry 461. Mateo 459. Thank you guys very much. 23k likes. Tanzan? Tanzan? Shave your head. Do you sell courses? I have a mentorship group. From the area, lad. Gus Bus, thank you very much for following me. Yes, you got it right, lad. Mad. From the area, brother. Born in Poland? Mad. I don't know any Polish. But I am learning Russian. I need a Russian teacher. I need to hire a Russian teacher. That's what I need. All right, what do we have? We got some members. Another Thor. What the fuck? Why do you have so many Discords? What's with the fucking million Discords? I actually don't understand it. Trahan, Hitter, Alt. What up? Welcome. Addo, welcome. Lemon Pound Cake, welcome. Lachlan, welcome. Welcome guys to the Discord. Make sure you're active. Talk some shit. Ask some questions. Pop it in there. DM me. I need more stress, pressure, added work. I need it. I need it. If I pay for the membership, do we start from scratch and build up as in using your platforms? We can, yeah. Yeah, well, so because like you said earlier in the stream, I use where you recommended using a bot, which I've developed on MetaTrader 4. So you would have to, if you wanted to use the bot, you can manually trade this, but it takes so much fucking time and it is not worth it. So you would have to learn MT4 and I can go through fucking everything with you. Like that's completely fine. It's not letting you join the Discord. What's happening? So when you click the link tree in my bio, there should be like 3 dots at the top right, which will open the link tree in an external browser, and then you can join through there. It's just for some reason when you try and do it on TikTok, it takes you to the fucking app store. If that's what's happening to you, well, Jay. If not, I will chuck the link in. Why is it not coming up? Surely I fucking clicked on it before. Okay. Okay, here we go. Okay, yeah, we'll just do it. That might work. Okay, it got approved. That should work, but if not, just, okay, joint, sweet, yeah. Yeah, okay, cool. And I use MetaTrader 4. I don't know if I answered that. Similar dialects with Russian and North Slavic countries. Imagine like Spanish and Portuguese. Right, gotcha. What's happening? Join. Welcome. What am I? Thank you very much. What? How many members do we have now? Boys, how many followers we got on TikTok? I wanted to hit 4K by tomorrow's stream, but I don't know if that's going to happen because TikTok, again, this is like one of the worst I've ever seen my views be. I'm not even kidding. So what are we at so far on the fucking on the followers. What do we have? Thank you very much for the heart me. Welcome to the team too. I appreciate that. So I'm eventually investing money into your robot, which is going to make us profit, or it's got nothing to do with me. I don't make any money from you putting money in the bot. You get a VPS, which is like a virtual computer that runs all the time. You need to be able to do it on a laptop, right? At least a laptop. I do not recommend at all trying to make money from your fucking phone in trading. It won't work. Oh, 99.9999999% of the time it won't work. IP code with the you're awesome. Thank you very much. Thank you. Tenzo, thank you very much for joining the Discord too. Yeah, so I don't make a cent from the bot. You basically put money into the bot, you set it up on a VPS, and then it takes trades for you. I can never guarantee, you're not allowed to guarantee profits on fucking anything, so I can't say that, but works for me. IP code, thank you very much for 36 roses. I appreciate that a lot. But me saying I'm Polish as an excuse for spaghetti English when I've been in the UK for what the fuck? That's pretty funny. That's pretty funny. IP code, Lel J, Chill Whale, Sienna, Thor. Thank you guys all so much. And Birchop, of course, for the gifts. I really appreciate it. Wheaton, thank you very much for following me. Oh shit, hold up. Where are you from? Brisbane, Australia. What new coin can I invite on? We don't really invest on. Oh yeah, we don't do that. We don't do coins and shit in here. It's just scammy. Do you have long-term stocks? No. I'm from the USA, by the way. Mad. I don't know if MetaTrader is legal or not, but I find ways to trade Forex. What part of the US? I need more US friends. I need more US friends. Because I'm going to come over there. I'd love to do like when I get a little bit bigger, do like a fucking meet and greet in the US. That'd be fucking sick. I'm pretty sure MetaTrader is legal. But leverage is an issue. So you'd need to find a broker with like 1 to 500 leverage, which someone I feel like they're in the mentorship, but I don't think they are. It was someone from the US. Was it America? I'm gonna message him and figure out what broker he was using. I'm gonna do that right now. From Washington? Man. Okay, hold up. Hello, Sienna? Did I miss something? Thought I heard Speedy? I don't think so, nah. I don't think I said that. Fuck, I mean, Jesus, that was spot on where I was at. Sienna, welcome. Where are you from? What new coin? Right. Always works for me and the guy I got in. Oh, right, yeah. So Visionary AI Reels, aka Speedy. You're gonna have to fucking change the name to Speedy eventually. Do you? Like, there's nothing you can on here. Change his name to fucking Speedy. So everyone knows. Like, I mean, to be fair, most people that come in here regularly, they all know you as Speedy. Yeah, the new people are probably like, who the fuck is Speedy? He's not even in here. But yeah, Speedy's in there. He's made fucking a lot for his account size. What bots you use? I use my own that I developed. I was going to join last night, but you were raving. You're going to join the mentorship or join the fucking Discord? Yeah, no, I was fucking having fun last night. That was fun. My friend working on a trading bot for the boys, but I'll invest in your resources too, guaranteed. Yeah, all sweet. Just be careful with trading bots, man. A lot of them are really bad. A lot of them are really fucking bad. It took months and months and months of fucking developing this thing. Takes me some time though. All good. Do you need to be smart to trade? So I feel like, am I going to word this really dumb, where I'm going to sound not smart? But I feel like you can build... No, I'm not even gonna say that. I feel like I'm not saying the right thing here. But yeah, kinda. I mean, yes and no, right? So you can be not smart and take longer to learn all the things. It's like learning anything, right? And smart people, you can say, learn quicker. I don't know. It's a hard question. So as long as you know all the shit that you need to know, does that make you smart? That's a hard one. I'm from Washington. Oh yeah, that's fucking sick. No, an IQ for 70 or less will do. Are you a profitable trader? Yes. How long did it take you to create the robot and have it working? Oh, fucking months and months and months. I couldn't even tell you how many months. Months. Literal months. So many bugs and bug fixes and fucking... Oh my god, it took so long. And back testing to try and fucking find the bugs and... Oh, dude, it took so long. What's the most you made in a day? I always get that, but I have no idea what the most amount I made in a day is, because I'm very conservative and take small profits. What's your approach? I wait for an extension in the market and then I scale into my positions. So I wait for the market to already be exhausted before getting in shorts, and if it goes the opposite direction, I'll scale into my positions using a hybrid martingale strategy. Oh, he's there, yes! Speedy, thank you. All right, cool, fuck yeah. Dude, I probably should have asked you to do it like fucking... I don't even know. Like 6 months ago. Thank you. Thank you. Should I buy or sell gold right now? I don't trade gold. So, I mean... Nothing. I wouldn't fucking do either, to be honest. I wouldn't do either. I wouldn't do either. Get this fucking shit off my screen. To an extent. Sienna, thank you very much for 5 more roses. I appreciate that. I don't know, man. Like, I don't know if you guys can see. You probably can't. But bro, I'm like sweating. I have no idea why. I have no idea why. Like, I'm sweating so much for some random fucking reason. It's just my hands too. I have no idea why. Right, so it's just being exposed to it, yeah. 17 roses and 2 perfumes? What the fuck, Sienna? Calm down. Calm down. Okay, calm down. What the fuck? Thank you. Jesus, you guys got to chill out on the gifts today. They've just been absolutely flowing through. Some people learn faster or slower, yeah. What percentage does it make a day, week? Days and weeks change all the time, right? My average is around 7.5% a month, hovering around there. It might be a little bit more now. It's probably closer to 8 because I've been having some big months recently. But for example, I'm at 4.7, 4.8% this month, and we're 8 days in. So, you know, that's, and we've done 2%. So I did 2% last week, a bit over 2% this week, and a bit over 2% last week. Jesus. So but it changes. It really does change. Fuck. What is the bot? It's one that I've created. Analytical approach. Do I go through that? See, that's what I do in the mentorship though. That's like, I go through my entire strategy and teach my entire strategy. So it's like, would I have any selling points for the mentorship if I did the whole fucking thing in here? Probably not. Yes. Yes. Perfect. What app to use? MetaTrader 4. Oh, you know the TGR situation was someone editing his clips, but he was saying W clip and paying him bread. Bro, I'm honestly just fucking not gonna lie, and don't hate me for this, but I'm fucking sick of hearing that guy's name. Maybe it was, yeah. Fair enough. Yeah, right. Righto, fair enough. What is one advice for a beginner no one talks about enough? Don't listen to anyone on the internet. Almost every single person that's especially on this fucking platform, and I get a bad rap just for being on this platform because everybody else is full of shit, but yeah, don't listen to all the bullshit you see online. Do not. Because it is horrible. You're not going to be making fucking 50% a month. Like, it's just not going to happen. You're not going to be making fucking 300-400% a year. It's all bullshit. My average, I've been doing this for years, my average is fucking 7.5%. Learn macro too. What the fuck was I doing just then? What was I doing? What was I going over here for? Fuck. I don't know what the fuck I was doing over here. I don't know. All good. TGR, lol, yeah. Is there such thing as verification fee first? I don't know what you're even talking about. It. You're drinking Monster, they'll kill your liver. Probably, yeah. I don't like coffee, but I really like caffeine. Like, I will not drink coffee ever. So I'm in a bit of a pickle. Holy shit. You have fucking 50,000 followers? Or is this a fake account? Because I get like 1 million fake accounts from me. No, it seems legit. Mad. Welcome. Dobro požalovat. What does your go-to everyday currencies you trade and why? Well, I trade 18 different pairs concurrently, right? But my risk is dropped to 0.25% per trade. And so I just don't, so what aren't my go-to everyday currencies would be Swiss, yen, Swiss and yen pairs. Especially at the moment, due to them being safe haven currencies. I just don't want any fucking part of them, to be honest. So I used to trade 28 different pairs. I've canned all of the Swiss and yen pairs except for pound Swiss and US dollar yen, just for a little bit of exposure because I can handle that. But if I'm running multiple different Swiss pairs and, you know, some fucking another war breaks out or some shit and everyone takes their money out of their high risk assets, being stocks, index funds, shit like that, and puts them into safe haven currencies, which is the Swiss and yen, because they have the lowest interest rates, they go fucking ballistic and then I get caught. And it happened to me in the Ukraine-Russia war. I was fucking short all Swiss pairs. And I got caught out on that. Shit, I went up really high. Fuck. What's your net worth? I don't say that. But, I mean, I'm not some fucking multi fucking millionaire Dubai fucking freak, alright? Just a trader with a strategy that works. Yeah, I know, but all price action has similar strats like break of structure, retrace, whatever title you give it for intraday. That is not like Tom's swing dollar cost averaging. I'm just a huge admirer of the African. Oh, bro, I'm gonna have to go back and clip that. I don't know what stream that was. I actually have to go back and clip that. The African art strategy. Oh, bro, that was so funny. That's fucking hilarious. That's fucking hilarious. Yeah, my shit, I am more swing. Rates follow value. You can't watch charts and stay ahead of rate movement. True. What's the difference between MetaTrader 4 and 5? MetaTrader 5 is a more updated platform, but it's buggy as fuck, and I don't like it. Every time they come out with a fucking, like I've used it previously, very short period of time, and I know of people that use it, and with EAs, because I know a lot of traders not on the internet that are profitable and use EAs, and every time they come out with fucking new versions and shit, breaks everything. So yeah, I just not interested. So just listen to Forex gurus that already have success with Forex? No. That are already successful with Forex? No, absolutely fucking not. Because the majority of them aren't. It's all fucking smoke and mirrors. Like, bro, I could name fucking 50 influencers right now who have absolutely fucking no clue what they're talking about. But they make millions of dollars on Bro, the biggest guy, probably one of the biggest influencers, trading influencers on fucking the internet, which is FX Alex G. is a fucking liar. He got caught for faking his 100 to a million fucking challenge. There's like a million things out there of this guy fucking faking that shit. But people still fucking listen to him. It's like, the fuck, what computer do you have? I mean, it's nothing special. I got bro, I don't know that much about computers. A 2080 Super, an i7 9700K. Like, they're both fucking overclocked. My Mobo, I don't know what the fuck it is. It's like got the liquid cooling shit and like a fucking million fans and 32 gigs of RAM. It's only DDR4 and like, I don't know, a couple of terabytes of storage. It's nothing fucking special. It's just, yeah. Me, yes. Okay. What pairs are you on? Oh, I explained that just before. True. I can't disagree. I just prefer not to swing and rather intraday scalp. It's your personal opinion. What is a pair? So it's a currency pair. So this is Euro New Zealand dollar. It's Euro USD, Aussie dollar CAD, US dollar yen, fucking New Zealand dollar Swiss, pound yen. Things like that. What session do you usually trade on? I sort of swing, so I don't pick a session. I'm at 1% risk. Have you dropped it? Is there an update on the EA? You're at 1%? The fuck? I did 0.25% risk. Is there an update? No. Nope. I wonder if that's why there's so much drawdown. Doing 1% risk. Fuck, I really need to catch up on chat. No, I'm 0.25% risk. I scalp all day, no need for anything else. Oh, fuck that. Too stressful for me. Do you mind showing that strategy? Yeah, draw a mentorship and you can have a look at it. How long before you become profitable? A year and a half. What's the minimum amount to put in? My personal opinion, a couple grand. How do I know when to buy an eval? You shouldn't, unless you're a very competent trader. Surely they would, right? What? Hold up. Do I own real estate? Fuck no. You should sell website, URL. You buy it for $7 and you sell it for 700. That's what I do. Nice. Good job. Thor, thank you very much for the rose. Q Banks. I've never even fucking looked at him, to be honest. Quick money, mate. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Who faked it? FX Alex G. Yeah, ICT's for shit. The only thing that I agree with is wide range bars, which have been around since the fucking 90s, but are now called fair value gaps. I just developed this indicator to automatically put them in there because I like wide range bars for exits. I don't know about TJ. I've never really looked at his shit. I watched it once and I was like, the fuck am I even looking at? You live in Australia? Yep, Brisbane. K-Series is legit. I don't know who that is. Which app do you use today? Trade MetaTrader 4. I'm gonna watch your how to start vid right now. No worries. It's very basic. Complete basics. Curious to know how you get buyers and scalping. What about Q-Banks? I don't know. Q-Banks. Yo, Tom, this is Zamora. Still the same question. What broker should I use? I'm from the Philippines. I'm planning on trading in 8 months from now. Fuck, you did ask me that. Oh, fuck, I spelled that wrong. Did I tell you to message me to ask me about... I think I'm not, maybe not. Okay. Oh, fuck, whatever. Okay, so they have an SEC. Filipino SEC. Just give me a second. I'll have a look at that in a sec. I just got to catch up on here. Appreciate it. All good. No stress. Just give me a second. Fuck. Right-click Windows and go to System to find out more about your computer. Why do I need to do that? I feel like I shouldn't do that while streaming. Value leads rates by 20-30 seconds. I'll be honest, bro. We managed to put me in the path of at least taking a step to a millionaire. All right, this is one thing you got to get out of your head, right? Like, I can't say yes or no, right? I can't say yes or no. That is entirely up to you. Normal, like, trading processes to determine how much money you're going to make determines how much capital you have to spare, right? So this is the difference between me and like a lot of other people is I don't try and fucking push it. I could just be like, yeah, yep, absolutely. You be on the right path. But like technically, yeah. But at the same time, like with normal trading processes, it is very difficult to become a millionaire. Very difficult. Extremely fucking difficult. So, like, will you make it there just through standard trading practices in a couple of years' time? 5, 10, 15 years' time? I don't fucking know. I don't know. But becoming some big time fucking millionaire is not what trading for me is about. It's about not having to go to a job every fucking day. That's why I like trading, is because I can do this. I can be a little bit more conservative and then branch out into other things to bring more money in. So that's how you should look at it. Yo, dude, I'm here to boost your likes. Thank you very much, Jovanovic. I appreciate it. What do you think you would be doing if you weren't trading? Something else, some other business related thing. I was looking at buying businesses a while ago. Maybe doing that. I don't know. Any tips for someone getting started? Don't listen to all the bullshit you see online. Use a demo account for as long as you can until you're competent. Join my Discord. Lenny Dodd, thank you very much for following. Look up Q-Banks. Yeah, I know who he is. Tom, thoughts on ICT's Mario Kart Rainbow Road to profitability with turtles and silver bullets? I'm about to put one of those silver bullets in. Yeah. How does day trading work? It's just buying and selling financial assets in speculation that it's going to go up or down. Mars, thank you very much for following me. The real messiah of day trading, Mr. ICT. He's like, Jesus, oh my God. Stop it. Official season coin, thank you very much for following me. All praise our true savior of providence. He takes our drawdown like confessing sins. What the fuck? Is a 200k funded account enough to quit a 9-to-5 job? Absolutely fucking not. Absolutely fucking not. Because you'll blow that account. I see I'll invest into the program soon. I trust you, dog. Lol. Nah, all good. Thank you. I appreciate that. Yeah. That's what I'm kind of here for, is not to kind of be like a scammy fucking piece of shit who's going to lie to you. I'm just going to keep it real. But thank you. I appreciate that. And whenever you're ready, bro, I'm here to stay. We're doing stocks? No. Forex? Currencies? Full port donk. What time frame do you usually buy or sell in? So I got a high time frame bias, which is 1 hour and 5 minutes for my entries. Sim20569, thank you very much for following me. We didn't get our fucking follower count. Where the fuck is my follower count? Again, thank God I'm not famous. ASMR. Alright, let's have a look at this Filipino stuff. What in the fuck is happening to my... Okay. So it looks like you're going to have to double check this if you're still in here, Leo. Check out 8-cap FP markets and IC markets and check out what sort of leverage they offer too. Check out the leverage because I don't know what the 500 to 1? Not registered with the Philippine SEC, which would make sense, but it is regulated. FP 8-cap. FP 501 not registered. The SEC. I do not know. I can only say just check them out. I can't tell you to go and fucking join this broker. But what it looks like is IC, FP markets, and 8-cap. So have a look at them. But you do have some pretty strict regulations in the Philippines. So I can say look at those brokers, but I can't tell you to do anything. $50 billion has invested meme coins. Sim and Kyle, thank you guys very much. Where the fuck is my fucking follow account? Can someone just go onto my profile and look at my follow account, please? Am I going to lose my fucking mind in a second? Pilot Dave 2006, thank you very much for following me. And Avazi, thank you very much for following me. Now go check the fucking follow account. What do you think Tesla will do today? No idea, don't trade Tesla. When it dips, people buy for no real reason. Yeah. Do you have a Telegram account? No. Or someone pretending to be you? Ooh, yes, no, I don't have a Telegram account. Discord only. I see the vision though. Nice, nice. Who'd you watch, learn from when you started trading? Fucking heaps of people. I couldn't even remember their names. Oh, some of them that I paid for shit, but they're not getting any fucking screen time. New high risk investment, check my link in bio. How about you get blocked? A coked up day trader, very rare. Okay, for starters, I'm not. Secondly, they like all are. Ever tried night trading? Right. Let's hit the fucking flare. We haven't even hit a fucking flare today. We got a tier 1. Surely we got a tier 2. We got there's fucking 0 left. I have to pop a tier 1 flare. Are you fucking kidding me? Oh my god. Can't wait for this to bring in fucking 3 people. And too many creators using flares right now. Fuck. And nobody checked my follow account. I literally have to do this myself. Sorry, you guys are on timeout. You can talk to yourselves. 3,931. We might hit that. We might hit 4K by tomorrow. Do I do a 3-hour stream? Do I do a 3-hour stream? Tayton, thank you very much for following me. Do I do a 3-hour stream? I might have to. I don't know what that is, John. How much dosh did you lose when you started? None, because I went demo for 2 years before I put any of my money in. Tom's just a Steve Irwin of Aussie trading. Quacky. Likes going up. Fuck yeah. Let's go. Jovanovic obviously is fucking... Oh, right. It was you who said that. Sorry, I didn't even see it was... Is it Jovanovic? Surely it is. It has to be. I think I've asked this like 17 times. 6.8. 3 Alchemy 5k. Lucas 3.5. Chilwell 3.2. Tanzin 2.3. Lazdbobjim 2.2. Domino 2.2. Worldly 1.2. Lel J. Where is this actually? What is that? What is that? Where is he? Or she? Where are you? 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 Are you still in here? Can you comment? Fuck. Fuck. I gotta find this. I wanna know what city that is. Are we doxing him right now? Is this bad? What the where the fuck is this? Is this doxing? Sydney? It's kind of fucked. Oh well. 43k likes. Thank you guys very much. What do you mean demo? So like virtual funds. I wasn't actually live trading with my own money. Full of life. I'm pretty sure he's full of death. On a serious note, I'm getting messages from you on TikTok. Is Tom Trades 11 new? Nope, not me. Just report them. I can't do anything like about it. I report them, but TikTok doesn't do shit. So I apologize, guys. Try not to get scammed. I miss Steve. Yeah, you know what's crazy? I was fucking okay. I was 7 years old. Yeah. 7 years old when he died, but I remember exactly where I was when he died. The exact spot. Remember hearing the news. Like, how crazy is that? Alright, what could I demo on? You can go on MT4. Go to the link in my bio. There's a broker, which is my recommendation anyway. You just set up an account. It's free. You don't need to fucking pay any money. Set up an account and then just demo trade from there. MetaTrader 4 or 5 the app. Yeah, just download MetaTrader 4 through Blackwall and then you can buy and sell. When he was alive, I was meaning. Oh, right. Yeah, I know. I was kind of taking the piss. Speaking of, I'm going to do a 3-hour stream. We just hit 1,000 views for the stream, which is honestly fucking terrible. We were getting 7,000 until TikTok decided they fucking hated me again. I use TradingView for demo and it's decent, but I'll try your suggestion also. Yeah, I mean, TradingView's fine to use. It's a bit more like MT4 is old as shit, right? Very old. But it's very functional. It's extremely functional, and you can use expert advisors on here, which is trading bots, which is what I use. I think you can on TradingView too, but fuck that. I'm happy with MT4. If you see anyone that's actually kind of like serious about trading, the majority of the time they're using MetaTrader 4. Like almost always they use MetaTrader 4. Wait, so the messages I thought I got from you aren't you? No. No. Just go onto my profile and look at the account. Like, go into our messages here. If there's no messages, then it's not me. Could you profit from trading after working your 9 to 5? Yep. That's one of the things that is good about my bot too, is it's customizable to different time frames, and the strategy works on multiple different time frames. So if you've got a full-time job, you can trade using a higher time frame where you'll get less entries, but you don't need to pay as much attention to the markets. I'm going to try it out. I'm finally understanding most of it, but there's so much to learn. Yeah, there is. Heaps. That's what I'm here for. Jump in the Discord. Free Discord. Message me questions if you need them. My parents just got back from Cape Verde. I don't know where that is. And said some live in sheds made of scrap, and she felt like crying. Yeah, when she spoke to them, they were the happiest people, she said. Yeah, that's crazy. A lot of them are. And Garcia, thank you very much for following me. Francesca, thank you very much for following me. Oh no, Toby, you just blew your 50K. How'd you do that? Bro, for 3 days I've been talking to someone pretending to be you. I thought it was you, honestly. Fuck, man. Sorry, did you get scammed? Did you pay any fucking money? Good morning, how are you? I'm good. Francesca, where's that from? Took a short on GU. Holy shit! Yeah. Yeah, right. I can't see that shit well. I don't know what that is. No, he said minimum was 600 for me to make 11,000, and I said, hell no, bro. Good, good. Smart thinking. Francesca with the heart me. Thank you. Ah, dobro požalovat. Thank you for the rose. GG, you're awesome. Fucking hell. Hold up, fuck. I gotta go through this. I gotta go through. Hold up. Chill out, sending all these fucking gifts. Francesca with the heart me. Chill out with the rose. GG, you're awesome. Love you so much. TikTok, ice cream cone, heart puff. Francesca with the Go Populous. Thank you. Fucking hell. Thank you. Hold up. I gotta get through these. 5 Go Populous. Thank you very much. Russian Swedish. Didn't set a stop loss and chart had a reversal. Oh. He was lining up. Remember the first time I invested in a bot, the foreign bank shut down and the team lost 80K? The fuck? Oh, Nelly. What car do you own? A Pagani Huayra. No, I'm kidding. Don't dox me. Dream car, McLaren. Like a realistic car. McLaren. Something McLaren. I don't know, I like McLarens. Dream car this is such a typical fucking thing, but probably an SVJ. I bought the crypto people. Yes. Is Francesca a crypto person with ya? What do you think about owning a ledger for crypto? No idea, I don't do anything to do with crypto. I owned up. You did. Nah, that's all right. Well, yeah, just risk management. Got to stay on top of that. Look at these likes fucking spamming through. Thank you, guys. Anytime. What do you think about owning a ledger for crypto? I got nothing to do with crypto. Toby, all that matters is you learn from it and don't take it as a sign to see red. Yes. Where are you from? Brisbane, Australia. Let's turn this live up. Fuck yeah. Don't lie, Tom. You the SVJ from scamming us. You have an SVJ. Yeah, well, I got rid of this piece of shit old Volkswagen and this fucking piece of shit Cessna fucking 180. You know, just pieces of shit. I feel like crypto is so influenced by idiots. It's a good idea, but it's just people behind it. Yeah, I agree. I agree. Trump a puppet, apparently. I don't know. I need to make $1 million today. How? Well, you wouldn't be able to do it legally. What do you trade? Forex, currencies. Uzman, thank you very much for following me. Appreciate it. Any words from the guy that made the mess you talked about yesterday? No. No, I blocked him. It's fucking ridiculous. He's gone. I should have done that in the first place. Thank you for 12k fucking likes. Jesus. Yeah, I should have done that in the first place, but I did not. But yeah, he's gone. Wait, guys, give me 1 second. I need to check something. Yeah. Yep. Holy shit. Fuck, I'm gonna have to have a break in a second, guys. Shit. I live in a Boeing 787. It doesn't belong to me. I just hide in the cargo stuff. That's funny. Trump hella funny though, not gonna lie. He is, yeah. Update on Forex, Aussie dollar, US dollar. Pretty much a fucking V-shaped recovery. W pattern reversal. Obviously that was all driven, this entire move was driven by the expectation of interest rates, bit of a flop around down the bottom, and then the figures coming out negative. I mean, well, positive. Them being, well, fucking positive for the Australian dollar. Them not changing interest rates. What up, Meegsy? How you going? Shit. Give me 1 second. Where are you from? Chicago, actually? Mad. He's a little slow. Yeah, sorry. Look at that chart. Horrible. Look up XRP. Me? No, he just keeps checking other stuff and also reads the chat so he answers everyone. Yeah, I try to. Because what's the point in you guys commenting if I'm not fucking reading them? That's what I hate about, like, man, some, like, streamers, on fucking, they get, like, fucking no viewers and yet they don't read half the chats. It's like, what the fuck's the point? Read your fucking chat. If I had like 1 million comments, obviously I couldn't, but yeah, I try. Sorry. A little slow. So yeah, sorry. Cook County, dangerous. Chirac, lol. I don't know what you're even saying. Cook County, dangerous. Oh, Chicago, Iraq. Yeah, I gotcha. Bree, thank you very much for following me. I've lost 2 days in a row. Am I cooked? Nope. No, that's fine. That random smile just killed me. Recovery sounds good. Hello. Good morning. No chance unless you're not learning from it. Yep, absolutely. I'll be back. All good. Thank you very much. Me too, Lincoln Park. Yeah, good now. I just finished work. Sweet. Good man. Thank you, guys. I really need a fucking piss. Oh, shit. Joelle sent a donut? What the fuck? Wait, message requests. What do we have here? Okay, I'll deal with that later. Fuck. Can we get a cam 2 POV of the bathroom? Yeah. You should have had it on the weekend when I was fucking asleep for 4.5 hours in the fucking shower. Christ. Who the fuck does that? Oh, what's good? I just watched the video, the how to start one. Oh, that one's a bit shit. LJ, Jai. You watched the 1 hour one. That one's just like a very streamlined version for fucking views on YouTube, but it didn't do shit. Actually, that one was more of testing an editor. I hired a fucking editor and it didn't really go well, eh? I was like, fuck this, I'm not paying. I can't remember what I did. I paid him like fucking, like $200 or something for like a fucking, oh, you watched the 1 hour one already? Holy shit. Okay. God, I can't even think. Man, I need to piss so bad. Blackout drunk? Yes. Yes. I don't think, no, I wasn't blackout, but I was fucking pretty, you know. It was like the whole fucking, the world's doing these ones. Like you can't fucking see anything. And I was like, get me in the fucking shower now. On your Mac? Fuck. Okay, we gotta deal with that in a second. So yeah, I fell asleep on the shower floor for 4.5 fucking hours. From 7 a.m. till 11:30 a.m. Woke up and I was like, oh fuck, not again. And my hips, man, my hips are like bruised. Cause I remember like just going from one side to the other, and obviously it's just tiles, so my hip bones would just dig into the fucking tiles for 4.5 hours, so they're cooked. Alright, guys, I'll fucking, if you want to message me on Discord or something, I'll deal with that, but I'll be back in 7 minutes. Don't do the water thing. I was gonna piss, then we're gonna have a break because we're gonna do a 3-hour stream today again. So I'm going to have a little break. So, I'll be back. Gym towel. You didn't see anything. Keep liking, keep commenting, keep the conversations up. I'll be back in a couple of minutes.
Meow. 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 Meow.
Thank you for the 100th follow, Dean. All right, we're back. We're back. Let's get this off the fucking screen. Can we pop a flare? We'll wait for some more people. Ooh. 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 Vroom. Likes. Hold up. Wonderful weather we're having. Amazing. Whoa. Whoa. Manny 1K, thank you for following me. Just dropping the kids off right now. Nah. Okay. Just got inside. Okay. Buddy. Gates of heavening open. Motherfucker. No. Bring a turkey so we can stuff it. What the fuck is happening? Brother. Jesus Christ. Exciting, Dean. Exciting. We love that. Yeah, no you didn't. I can almost guarantee that this is bullshit. You know what's funny about when people are full of shit? I can just do this. Wolf Sweet Chairs? Nah, no idea. Yeah, all tools. Pfft. This is us when you leave us alone without moderation. Yeah, I know, Jesus. What the fuck? That was a terrible idea. All right, we're back. 3-hour stream. We're just about to hit 2 hours. Let's get it. Let's run it. Okay. I'm just gonna hide screen for a second so I can check my figures. 4.67% this month, 2.11% this week, sitting in 1.27% of drawdown. I might actually take this pound New Zealand profit. 0.98% today, 1.13% yesterday. Yeah. What is that? Pound New Zealand. Oh, we're so fucking close to it. Do I just take it? I think I might, because we're right up at I would not like if that turned into support, and we're pretty much at TP, so I'll just take these off. Bada bing, bada boom. So that was 2 easy trades. First trade, second trade, obviously on this leg up. We had that retracement off of some pound news that just came out, driving the market down. Simple as that. I'd rather get out before enter trades tomorrow from New Zealand anyway, just in case, and as well, what might turn into sport off of here. If not, I missed out on fucking 0.01%, so I don't really give a shit. We're out of that pound New Zealand. So, yes, happy days. Am I unfrozen? Righto, Fredo. No worries. Thanks for tuning in, bro. Thanks for staying for so long. I appreciate that. And yeah, you have a good night. Take it easy. 6, 7. What? I'm liking the live and it ain't generating anything. What do you mean in terms of views? Bro, holy shit. Like 22k likes. What the fuck? 3 Alchemy 5.1, Chihuahua 3.7, Lucas 3.5, Luzd. I just want to call him PUBG. Tanzan 2.3, Domino 2.2, Apple user 2k, Worldly 1.2. Thank you guys. Holy shit. What are we up to? 64. Fucking hell. Thank you. Thank you for your knowledge, bro. Much thanks. No worries. No worries. I'm here every day. It's Ledger Nano X Safe. I've never even heard of it. What are the likes for? It's just liking the stream. I don't know. It might give me more promotion if I have more likes. I don't actually know. I don't know how the algorithm works on TikTok. I don't know what gives you more promotion and what doesn't. What you would expect the promotion to be based off of would be my stats for my live streams, right? So if I get better stats, I would have bigger live streams. Like they would promote me more. So this is the thing, right? And I've explained this multiple times, so sorry if you've heard this fucking 50,000 times, but I'm gonna explain it again. TikTok randomly decided to promote me at one point, right? Finally gave me views that, sorry, but I fucking would think that I would deserve, because every time after my live streams, I have, it gives you the stats of people that are, that have the similar performance to your live streams, right? And it gives you like likes, number of gifters, the amount that's been gifted, and like watch duration and stuff like that, right? So it gives you lots of stats. Every single fucking time I'm in either, sometimes it'll drop to like 97, 98%, but the majority of the time I'm in the 1 percentile. So it's like 99%. I'm doing better in terms of engagement than 99% of other creators with similar performance to mine. So you would think that these guys would push me in terms of promotion and views and stuff like that, but they really do not. They did it for about a week and a half. We got like 1,000 followers in like a week on fucking TikTok. We had like 100 and something people join the Discord. We had fucking, like, our performance was through the fucking roof. And then they suspended me for gambling, randomly suspended me for gambling. And then for 3 days, I came back after 3 days and I had, all my viewership was gone, right? So right now, the amount of views, which is the total views, the people that have actually seen my live stream, is 1,262, right? Like 2 weeks ago, that would have been 7,000. And we were doing insane performance on TikTok when we had those viewers too. We were in like the top fucking percentages as well. Why the fuck am I not getting any form of fucking promotion? They all suspicious. Thank you very much for following me. Hehe, my likes. Oh, let's have a look. Thank you. XRP buy time? I don't fucking know. I don't trade XRP. Sorry, bro. Even TikTok knows the full port method. Bro, they full ported me for all of fucking 1 week. Got me like a shitload of fucking everything, and then was like, nah, Soz, lol, ha, tee. So I don't know what I need to do for us to get more fucking engagement. I really don't. Like, what I think I need, right, and what might be the case is, so we've got 429 diamonds, right? And I do not like people gifting, which is probably why 429 is like, I don't know, for me that would be maybe like $1.50, $2 or some shit. When this is way higher, we usually get a lot more people joining. But I do not ask for gifts ever. That's why people do battles and all of that shit, so they get more fucking diamonds, and then TikTok wants you to do all of these things, which I usually do. Like, we usually clean all of these up, and we usually get to the end of here. Like, every month, we get all of these fucking reward milestones and all of this shit that we do for fucking TikTok, but I just don't get any promotion. Like, at all. It's like, what the fuck? I don't know. I don't know what to do. It didn't let you message me? Why not? You might have to ask for a... You might have to friend request me. Holy shit, my head. Fucking hell. Oh, God. Hold up. Ow. Oh. Give me 1 sec. Fucking hell. Fuck. No, I got the friend request. Accept it, and you should be able to send me a message. Give me 1 second. Let's have a look. Did you sign up with a... Have you, like, had a look at a broker? Yeah, so with Black Bull, I don't know if you... so if you click the link in my bio and you make like a demo account, you can download MT4 for Mac. Holy shit. More African hearts, yeah, probably. Are you gonna invest in Nvidia? Nah. Try the friend request. What happened? Oh, my head's just fucking blasted, bro. I've been meaning to either buy something like a little shade thing or whatever for my ring light, or man, even just put a pillowcase over it, because it's so fucking, bro, it kills my eyes. I just randomly got some fucking splitting headache. And it's probably because my light is right here and the chat's fucking directly below it, so I'm pretty much staring at it the whole time. Like, if I was looking over here, that'd be like way easier than staring into this fucking light for, you know, hours a day. You're not going to talk about what's coming. I don't know what's coming up on July 14th. All good. Yeah, I'm sweet. I just got to fucking... It'll go away in a sec. Bro, I've been waiting on the GJ reversal on the 5 minute for 4 hours now. That's what trading is. That's why you just bought. What reversal? Which way? I mean, that's like typical M pattern. Double top. Are you talking about reverse back up? Look at that gap fill. Fucking almost to the tick, coming back up. It does happen sometimes. I don't know. I don't trade XRP, so I'm not in tune with that shit. Sorry, blockchain bullhorn. So click the link to in your bio. Yeah, Blackbull, my broker, and then it'll take you to Blackbull Markets, which is my broker, which I highly recommend. And then just set up a demo account. It's an affiliate link, but it doesn't pay me anything for fucking demo accounts. This is just my broker that I recommend. That their affiliate program sucks. Fucking sucks. I don't get paid anything. So that doesn't matter. It's just my recommended broker. And then it will take you, you'll be able to sign up, make an account for free, like a demo account. And then you'll be able to download MetaTrader 4 on Mac. Long bias. Ah, okay. I mean, it wouldn't be the... I mean, I wouldn't fucking buy that. But that's... I mean, we got completely different strategies, so... For a short-term trade, it might be... Alright, buying it back up to here, maybe it fucking... Triple top, I don't know. Savoring the Fair King's fairness projecting across our screens. Thank you. I was wondering where you've been. How are you? Cool. Okay, thanks. All sweet. Nice dress. Fuck my head. Just started a new job, had to take a massive pay cut. I think you were talking about that a while ago. You were talking about that a while ago. Congrats-ish. Hopefully you like it, bud. SRM, I don't even know what that is. JT. Oh, I gotta move back. Fucking eyes, man. Alright, let's see if we can get this flare popped. Yep, we got it. We got it. Fuck yeah. Keith and Nitro, thank you guys very much for following me. Can I get a follower check, please, from someone? How many followers do we have? I want 4,000 by tomorrow at some point. The unemployment is low, but they ain't paying shit. Yeah, that's fucked. That's so backwards. 3,942. Okay, surely we make that by tomorrow. If I'm on for the next 45 minutes, maybe we'll get a couple of more. I just popped a flare. It's only a tier 1, so we probably won't get that many people jump in, but we might be able to maybe get an extra 8 to get to 3,950 and then get 50 tomorrow, potentially. And can you move the light? So it's on like a arm, like this, right? So the arm's attached to my fucking to my desk, and then this arm, my camera is like there, and then the light is like up here. So it's like that. So if I move the light, I don't know what the fuck I'd do with my camera. I was thinking about changing my camera angle anyway. But yeah. But anyway, if I move it over here, then it's only shining on half my face over here, and it's gonna be terrible lighting. So it's a bit annoying. What I want to do is, because it's a ring light, right? You're not meant to really stare at fucking ring lights all the time. So, but I didn't really know that. I just want a fucking light. So I think I'm going to put either a pillowcase, or if I have to buy like a white pillowcase, get like a super low thread count one. I feel like that's just the easiest fucking option. Or get like a little shade thing or whatever. I don't know, buy it off fucking Temu or some shit for like $1. You know, just so you know, people are pretending to be you, offering mentorships. I know. I can't do anything about it. I apologize. I report all of them where I can, but there's only so much that I can do with that. Yeah, I just apologize that TikTok doesn't fucking ban them ever. It's very annoying. It's very frustrating. What are you trading? Forex currencies? Oh, that's rough. Yeah, I know, it's annoying. How can I do this? What's it called? It's called trading. You can join my Discord. Discord links in my bio, and there's a 1-hour free video on the bare minimum basics of it, getting started. Best advice on how to start? Exactly what I just said. I installed it. Thanks, bro. You're a real dude. All sweet. No stress. Hopefully it all works out. And yeah, message me. I accepted your friend request on Discord. So message me with whatever questions you have. But just want to make sure you were aware. Yeah. Thank you very much. I appreciate that a lot. I have the same problem. This one guy called ICT copies my content. That's funny. Amaldo Hernandez and Duke Boom. Thank you guys very much for following me. Appreciate it. Thank you. How many people did we get in the Discord? We started off pretty fucking strong, eh? With people jumping in. How many people jumped in? Fuck, we got a few. Fuck, we got a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fucking hell, we got 10 people? Better cat. Thank you very much for following me. And we're coming up to 4,000 followers on TikTok, which is just insane to me. I know that's probably not a lot for you guys because you see all these people with hundreds of thousands of followers and all this shit, but just little old me, you know, it's a fucking lot of people. Jahan, Addo, Lemon Pound Cake, Lachlan, Leljay, Tenzo, Courtney, T2 Savvy, Stroker, and Nico? It's gotta be Nico. Thank you guys very much for joining. If you need anything, let me know. What's the best website to use for trading? Well, I use a program called MetaTrader 4. It's downloadable. What up, Sienna? How are you? Okay. Yep. Wait, are you in here? Oh, I thought you're in here. Yeah, that's all good. That's perfect. Fuck my fucking head, man. Go away! Yeah, I use a platform called MetaTrader 4, and Black Bull Markets is my broker. The link's in my bio for my broker. I'm good. How are you? I'm good. I'm good. My fucking head's pounding, but I'm good. Oh, and so ready to get the GJ longs. The little Japanese men have been swept, right? Yep, that's perfect. Oh, absolutely perfect. Yep. Perfect. I don't know if you're still in here. I'll just say perfect. Because it says you're in here, but you might not be. Oh. How much have you made off trading? About 13 cents. You should get some rest, dude. It's not the rest. It's literally not the rest. It's just this fucking light. It's literally just this light. And I probably haven't drunk enough water today either. How much money did you start with? My initial account balance was 20 grand when I first started. But that was 2 years of demo trading. Just need some confirmation, the 5 minute, and we flying long. Well, we're not getting much direction. I mean, we could just use a basic moving average, right? We'll do that. If we can open above the moving average, go for it, I guess. I mean, I don't know. I honestly do not do the scalping shit. But the thing is we got these points here, which could act as resistance, which also kind of correlates with these here, which could also act as resistance. So it's a risky little scalp, to be honest. And usually when you see these double tops, they mean pushing down further. So like an M pattern reversal. Fuck my head. Oh, fuck. How much you made from trading? Someone just asked that. About 13 cents. No, I don't disclose that. What do we have here? Sienna with 16 fucking roses again. Thank you. Thank you very much, Sienna. Appreciate it. How long did it take you to be profitable? A year and a half to 2 years. What time frame do you trade in? 5 minutes for entries, 1 hour for my higher time frame bias. I use an expert advisor, which is a trading bot which does pretty much all of it for me. Damn, I would have taken out my TP. Oh well, whatever. What I closed it out at fucking here, my TP was fucking 0.1% more. Whatever. Oh Jesus. No. Fuck, we're pretty flat, eh? Not in much. Which I'm absolutely loving. Yes, so we should get another entry on this pretty soon. Pretty soon. After a little reversal, we should get an entry. That'll bring our break even down a little bit lower. Our TP probably about here. And then hopefully we get a bounce off of last week's low. Maybe if we get a third entry, that would be even more ideal. And then I will adjust my TPs to probably yesterday's low. Maybe even go for a bigger TP. We'll have a look at the hourly. Yeah, I'd probably be targeting this gap here. For exits, if we can bounce off of here, that would be nice. This Aussie strength won't last forever. Average shit talker. Have we got one? Have we caught another one? Guess who's back? What up? I'm too cute to show my precious face on TikTok. It's for my safety and well-being. What? Ben, thank you very much for following me. We hit 69k likes. Thank you, guys. Bro, I have no idea what the fuck you guys are on about. You know what I think I'm going to try to do? I'm going to try and stop swearing for a week and see if that has any impact on my TikTok promoting me. Wonder if that'll work. What's funny, Mike? Oh, Mika? Sorry, Mika? It's very hard to see the name. Yo, I put $15 into a meme coin and woke up with 3k. Nice. I mean, take that. Most likely will. Most likely. Wait, what the? Oh, help with, yeah. I just can't, like, it's just how I talk. I don't know. Just always had a terrible potty mouth. I reckon you should host an IRL Hunger Games with the people in the chat. Imagine that. Imagine that. Fucking hell, Jovanovic with 24k likes. No one's catching. No one. JS4's coming up here. 1.7. Wait, how many? I didn't check how many members we had in the Discord now. We're starting to grow. We're starting to grow. $425. Let's go. Let's go. Well, surely that gets some likes, probably. What are your tips for beginners? Don't listen to all the bullshit you see online. Focus on process before the profits and use a demo account for as long as you can until you're competent. Mika, thank you very much for following me. I appreciate that. Is it Mika? Oh, it is. Fuck, guys. I'm gonna probably boost in 15 minutes, I think. Jay, thank you very much for following me. Maybe 15 minutes, because we popped the flare and we got 12 fucking viewers. I think I'm close to the chat stoning themselves just for an African. Oh, fuck. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. Oh my eyes. Now that's a sales pitch. Fuck yeah. Well, there you go. On your GJ. But it's a risky, you've got no room. Whether you get up to here, that's a fucking big ask. So yeah, I don't know. I don't even know, laddie. I honestly don't even fucking know. Yeah, shite. Okay, everything is all good. I have a fucking million messages to respond to. After this, let's go. I'm excited. As long as this fucking headache goes away, we're gonna be chilling the rest of the evening. Working hard. I'm excited. It's only 9:30. I had a massive sleep last night. Fucking huge. Mr. King, thank you very much for following me. Thank you, thank you. Fuck, we gotta be... Is that... Oh, we're one away from 3,950. There we go. 3,950. 3,951. Thank you guys very much. We're fucking so close to 4,000 followers. Bro, I made $400. Congratulations. Good job. That's awesome. You are welcome. Thank you. This is gold chart? No, this is pound yen. Thank you very much, Royce. It'll only be a 2-to-1 so far, aiming at a 0.5 extension from the top of the second high. A 0.5 extension. What do you mean by that? Like a 50% retracement? Yep. Henry, thank you very much for following me. Retrace, yeah. Yeah, I mean, that's not the... What the heck? Sorry, Ray, I've got no idea who you are. Lillant 101. Thank you very much for the you're awesome. I appreciate that. Why are you trying to request to join this, Ray? Is this a fake account? Are you based in Dubai? interesting. What's your highest win day? In terms of days, I don't know. I don't pay attention to my highest win days because a lot of the time, I do small wins consistently. Let me join. Let's chat trading. I don't usually, because I got no idea who, like, what people will say if they're gonna get me suspended or something. Like, I don't, like, you know what I mean. I'm happy to talk to you privately. What's your biggest win day? All right, yeah, I just answered that. From Melbourne and new to this TikTok stuff. Welcome. Normally I look for 1 to 3, but seeing London and Asia highs would need a lot of volume. Yeah, I mean, it's not really doing much. Real account lad. Read your comments, dude. That's exactly what I'm doing. It just takes me a second, sorry. The worst part's in I see my comment coming through. Yeah, well, I wasn't looking, sorry. I mean, job, sorry for the language. What? Bro, someone with a fake account that's meant to be you sent me a friend request. Yeah, bro, I cannot stop it. They're fucking everywhere. I apologize. You're probably like the 9th person today that said it. Yeah, I want to start trading, but I'm lost, don't know what to do. Join my Discord. Discord's linked to my bio. There's a beginner's video on getting started. Complete basics. You trade live? Yep, I'm trading live right now. I'm in multiple trades currently. Oh, the job is that's funny. And they have more followers than you. Yeah, I know, bro. All the fake accounts, they all have more followers, but they're most likely just bought followers. Oh, it popped. It fucking popped. I mean, you're at a 38.2. Do you want to risk it? It popped. What the fuck? See how far up it goes, eh? Or if that's it. Fucking hell, it really popped. What platform do you use? I'm looking to get into it. MetaTrader 4. Costa, Caleb, and Leo. Thank you guys very much for following me. The J word is a curse word, yes. All I'm saying is it needs a heavy retracement now, and then I might enter, but it could be manipulated before New York Open. Wait, are you not in? I thought you were looking at longs on a 50% retracement from here. That's what I thought you were talking about. That's why I was like, just wait for like an MA cross and then just pop up, try and get the 50. That's what I was like, you're already at a 38.2. Resistance all over the fucking place. Take that, because yeah, it might just pop back down. Plus gap fill. I was confused with what you were doing. Bro, 30k likes, hell on earth. Did he? Oh shit. Fuck, Jovanovic hit 30 fucking K. What's the, so this one? Oh, I don't know if I'm going to be live for long enough. 3 Alchemy holds the record of 36,669. I can't stand that fucking thing. I don't know if I'll be live enough for you to hit it. He'd be mad. But bro, thank you so much for fucking 31k likes. That is insane. We're at 80k. Crazy. Yeah, I am, but I'm not in yet. Need that confirmation, so now I'm just gonna wait for New York Open. Okay, fair enough. Yeah. Oh, well, there you go. Popped off of the 38. Came back down. That's what I was worried about. That's why I said just seems like a risky trade because these levels here could just easily turn into fucking resistance. Which, I mean, flip-flopping around. I don't know, I don't really like doing this fucking small time frame scalping shit. So, yeah. Brendan, thank you very much for following me. I don't know if I said that. Best case, it makes low and then reverses. Yep. What's that ticker? This is pound yen. Bearish engulfing, maybe. What do we got? 1 minute. Might not get it. Just be an inside bar. Fuck, now our viewers pick up. The fuck? Oh, what did we hit? 2,400 minutes of views. Did that get us over the line to be able to get a flare? I don't think it did. Fuck! Stupid idiot! Fucking stupid idiot! Maybe we could collaborate sometime. Potentially. No tweaking tonight, no lines. Nah. Nah. None of that. What do you do, Francesca? Interesting. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Yeah, this entire account just was fucking AI. So yeah, I don't know about that. Not a US stock, I don't see it. No, I don't do stocks. Can you get me rich? Probably not. I mean, I don't know who you are. I don't know what your background is. I don't know how much you're gonna apply yourself, but statistically, probably not. Because the majority of people that come in and try for about 15 seconds and then they give up. I'm not even kidding. Less than a day. Collaborate this. What's looking good for today? I don't know. Like in general, TikTok, both. Your profile looks completely AI. He got me rich. That guy really trying to beat the record for likes. He is. He's going for it. He might make it if I stay on for long enough. But he's got about 13 minutes. What ticket you got pulled up? Pound yen. Yeah, what Apple user said. What is trading exactly? It's buying and selling financial assets in speculation that it's going to go up or down to make money. Hey, so where are you based? I am based in... What is this thing? First gifter. Wait, what? Based in Brisbane. JP? I don't know what this new gifter thing is. What the hell? I don't know what that is. I've never seen that before. Janelle Davis, thank you very much for following me. I'm mostly crypto and I'm not AI. Well, your profile looks like AI. If you gave me $1,000 right now, would it affect you? No comment. Shorts. On. I've been losing 7 years straight. Jesus. You don't have to say, but would you be able to tell us a range on what you make in a year? No. I won't do that. Why do you say that? Because it looks like fucking AI. Jazz, thank you very much for following me. And now... Brian, thank you very much for following me as well. Yo, dude, 34k likes. Did I pass the record? Nope. Bro, you're going nuts, bud. You're close. Alright guys, I'm heading off for the night. Take it easy. Yeah, have a good night, I guess. Imagine. You're close. I'll let you get it. I'll let you get it. The AI is learning from you. It's all me, lol. All good. All good. Just looks like it. You don't get easy handouts from the fucking east side. Wait, what? I'm confused. ChatGPT questions. AMST thoughts? No idea. Is that a stock? I don't trade stocks. And quick. Dude, I was pissed for real. No, I wouldn't. I couldn't, bro. That's so rough. Imagine if I did. That'd be so rough. I'll let you get there. I'll let you get there. Yo, we're getting some Discord. I love it. It just sucks though. Like I like doing. Oh yeah, I've got a little announcement, sort of, not really. I'll put it in the Discord actually, because a lot of the like OGs, the guys that are, you know, active and everything aren't in the stream right now, so I'll chuck it in the Discord shortly. Do it when he gets to 36 flat. Alright, let's watch it. 36k flat and it's done. Nah, I couldn't. I actually couldn't. How many followers do we have right now? Bro, I'm just excited to hit 4k. That's Instagram. 3,960. Guys, we can hit fucking... What have we done? 54 today on a fucking shitter stream. We're so hitting 4,000. Yeah. Teacup candle pattern is goated. I've never even heard of that. What? World State, thank you very much for following me. Any thoughts on silver specifically? I don't trade silver at all. So, sorry, Jude. I don't know. I love that uwu shit. Gets me rocking. What the fuck? What the fuck? That's sauce. Suspect. Suspect, brother. That chat is in cup and handle. What? Must be one of ICT's new models. Fuck! ICT. A chart is in cup and handle. I'm not saying it. This is just pound yen. We were just having a look at it. This isn't a trade that I'm in. I don't trade pound yen. Going up. Fuck, I don't know. I'm not going to comment on that. You know what I need? I need more worldly connections. Where is everyone from? Give me country that everyone is from. I need your countries. Please and thank you, comment what country you live in. I need to know. Australia, okay. Australia. UK, we know that. I'm part of that. I'm never going to the fucking UK. I don't feel like getting my legs chopped off or my arm chopped off. Romania, actually? I'm a part of that, Jesus. Waiting if Apple user can bring home some apples. Fuck yeah. Australia, Newcastle. What hours I found you here? I'm here from 6:45 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. So 3 hours ago, I go live. UK, how about I'll do it to you if you give me a big... Romania, Albania? Oh, fuck. USA? Yeah, I knew that. What part of USA again? I can't remember. I can't even remember. What I'm saying, once I made bread, I'm gone like the wind from this shithole. Yeah. Yeah, I highly recommend that. Sydney. I thought you were from the US. Wait, what? Bro, am I tripping? I'm telling you, it's this headache. How did I fucking... What the fuck? 38k. No way. Migsy, look at that shit. Migsy's probably one of the top all-time likers. Like, she'd probably have the top likes altogether. 39 fucking thousand. Holy shit. When I end the stream, I'll have to screenshot that. That's fucking nuts. Thank you so much, bro. Thank you so much. Holy shit. Won't let me say where I'm from. Really? Melbourne, slide me 200 to get a laptop so I can day trade. If I had $1 for every time someone asked me for a handout with money, I'd be able to send you $200 for a laptop. I'm from NI, Northern Ireland? I don't trade stocks, I trade Forex currencies. When are you going to sell it? I'm not in this right now. Germany. NI Germany. Germany, I'm guessing? Oh. Nigeria? Niger? It's nowhere near as bad up north as it is down south with all the violence. How north, though? I'd go to Scotland again. Scotland was fucking amazing. How long does it take to understand everything and start making money? Depends on, that's so subjective to who you are. Give two people the tools to learn a language. One's going to take fucking 2 years. The other one's going to take 20 years. You know what I mean? Or 1 year and 2 years. You know, everyone's different. I got a new target to hit. Yeah, fucking hell. That is absolutely fucking insane. We're about to hit 100k likes. Do we have any like targets? No, we don't. Damn. That would have been good for a like target. Fuck. Bro, thank you so much. Fucking crazy. How to know it's a good time to sell it. I have specific indicators that I look for. Support and resistance, wide range bars, fair value gaps, fucking daily highs and lows, stuff like that. Percentages of the average daily range, things like that is what I will target for exits. I've got a new target to hit. Yep. Buy me a laptop so I can trade. Nah. How much money should I start with as a beginner day trading? Nothing. You should start on a demo account and then think about the money stuff later once you're competent. No, I'm telling you, man, I'm chilling and watching you live. Why not like and support? Bro, I understand that, right? And I appreciate the fact that you're doing that so unbelievably much. You have no idea. That is fucking insane. 41k likes is like, that's more than supporting. That's like going above and beyond, and I appreciate it fucking so much. Like, crazy. What are you trading today? Currencies? I mean, lots of pairs. I have the same question. A couple grand, preferably, but you can start with less. Put it together. Yes, I'm a Nigerian prince. Right. How much money should I start with? All right, yep. York. I've been there. I've been to York. Yaku stickers and tint. Thank you very much. And Thor sent a heart me. I didn't actually see that. Thank you. I've literally been to York. That's crazy. Nice. Do you have a guide to follow on your page to start learning? Yes, if you go to my Discord's linked to my bio. There is a 1 hour video. Let me pull it up. So this is the free Discord. I have a mentorship as well if you want to actually take a little bit further of a step. And then there's a beginner's guide, which is just a 1 hour video. Ready for new high on this chart? Potentially. Yes, I'm. Jesus Christ. Okay. The guy liking most has a clicker on program. You reckon? I don't know. That's one thing with Migsy, is Migsy does it all automatically. Okay, Lucas, are you in here? I don't think he is. Fuck. V Canny and Stevo, thank you guys very much for following me. As if, what did you do? Guessing touristy view of the shambles? No, it was just a stopover for a night. Can't remember where we stayed, but it was like, it was fucked. It was like Freshers Week, I think. Is that what it's called? And it was like last minute, stay there, booked the hotel, and the only fucking hotel that was available was like some 5-star fucking, or whatever yeah. And it was just fucked. It was so fancy and amazing. I was like, holy shit, it was really fucking nice. What's your thoughts on Moo Moo? I have no idea what that even is. If you ever went to Mackey's in York, just know that I fell asleep across on the road blackout. Yeah, Freshers in September. Yeah, that's when it would have been. Because it was I was in London for my birthday, which is September 30th. So it would have been around there, yeah. Balls are pushing. Yep. Yeah, I'm surprised we got this big of a... I mean, 5 minutes, you never really fucking know what's going to happen, but... Almost 61, we broke the 50. Drippy pencil. You a Virgo? Libra. September 30th. It's my birthday. I think that's what, I think that means I'm a Libra. I don't fucking know. I don't really pay attention to that stuff. To be completely honest, September 5th, mad. September. We love that. We absolutely love that. We are so close. Ah, my wrist. To hitting 4,000 followers. Now just need a New York Open manipulation. Smart money concepts. Get me a towel, I'm gonna waterboard myself. Try in between, I'm September 15th. No, I'm mad, what the fuck? All these September people. Short on gold here. Gold now. Alright, I think we're yeah, no, I was literally about to say I'm about to finish up. You're what? Actually gonna stream for a while, I can be back later, but I don't know if you'll stream. Nah, I'm gonna jump off pretty much now. And I cannot thank you. We hit 100K! We hit 100K! I think that's like the 3rd time we've ever hit 100K. And that is pretty much all thanks. I mean, obviously, everybody contributed, but 43% of that was Jovanovic. So, bro, thank you all for the support. Just, like, doesn't matter what you guys fucking do. If you're in here commenting, if you're just in the fucking Discord, if you're active in the chat, if you're liking, you're fucking sending gifts, like, it all means a lot. It says 100K for me. It says 100K. Yeah, we got 100K. Like, I appreciate every single one of you. LGO Vuk, thank you very much for following me. Every stream you make, I'll come back and like and everything, man. Love your work. Thank you. You don't have to go crazy like this every time. All right, make sure you don't send any more likes. I'm gonna screenshot it. fucking crazy. Thank you guys very much. If you're not in the Discord, you know the spiel, you know the fucking, if you're not in the Discord, get in the Discord. If you're not following, follow, check out my links, blah, blah, blah. I appreciate it. I appreciate it all. I'm gonna be back tomorrow, 6:45 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. This was a big stream, 3 hours, 7 minutes. We went for a while. It's all thanks to you guys. Quickly get whatever you need to say in, get it in. Let's go. Clicker. Possibly. Mom, I made it in the screenshot. You did, yeah. Go to the Librains, Cool, Calm, and Collective. Librains? What? Tom, the smart money is smart money. I don't. Yuxo Cruz, thank you very much for following. How much are you down for the year? I'm well up. I'm up 40 or 50% for this year. Let's fucking go. Ooh, ooh. Morning star. Fuck. Ooh, okay, Jesus. Click on, man. I'm chilling in my room, just tapping the screen with 5 fingers. Well, fucking, that is, if that's true, that is the most impressive effort I've ever seen in my life. Forex target, hello. I'm just jumping off. So make sure that you subscribe because I'm going to be back tomorrow, 6:45 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. I'm live every single day. Make sure you subscribe on YouTube. And yeah. Got it out. Bloody spell check. Oh, good. Either my hairline's going back or my head's getting bigger due to smart money concepts. Well, that's what smart money concepts is designed to do. Make up a bunch of shit that makes you sound smart. Whip it out. I'm good. No. Ahmed and Cody, thank you guys very much for following me. All right, I'm off. Have a fantastic evening. If you need me, I'll be on Discord. I'm probably going to have a little bit of a break because his headache is not fucked off. So I might fuck off for about like an hour or something. And then come back at like 11 p.m. and jump on and fucking get stuck into it. So yeah, it's proof in the source. You're right. I can't knock it. If it's working for you, absolutely fantastic. I shouldn't be talking shit about it, but yeah. All right, see you guys later. Thank you very much. You guys have a wonderful evening.